What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stand Up SA Square Photography. We bring you back another video today. Finally, lastly, our very last ride, last dance shoot. I have back.
Last dance. Last dance.
We have back JoJo. This is my last night in Florida. Last shoot with JoJo. I gotta leave in the morning. We are here and we're gonna do a lingerie type situation. As you see, Race, you got.
Yeah.
Are you excited about this?
I am so excited, and we are so exhausted too.
Thank you for putting that there. Of course, if you want to work with JoJo, all stuff is going to be in the description box below. It's what popped on the screen by now. Let's get to work. And I think she's going to change 2 outfits, right?
Yes.
She's going to do this one, then we got another one. That's it. So let's go ahead and get the work in right now. All right, let's go.
Yeah.
All right, guys, what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to put the grid on just to kind of I'm going to put the grid on to kind of cut the light a little bit so it won't spray as much. So I'm going to try to get a little bit more drama on her and so it won't spray as much. What this is going to do is going to control the light a little bit so it won't spill all over the place. I'm going to see what it looks like first. All right, test shot again. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I like that better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that thing is awesome.
Shows the light a little bit more. All right, guys, I guess I come over and show y'all guys real quick, then y'all gonna be able to see the final pictures. So the grid actually did kind of work a little bit better for me. Here's without the grid. And then, of course, with the grid. So I'm gonna go with the grid. So I'm going to use the 45 this whole entire time, guys. Obviously, I'm in a small confined place. I still want to show a little bit more, so I'm going to use this 45 the whole entire time. So the 105 is not going to get pulled out at all because I need the space. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at these. Yeah, I'll do that one more time. Look at me doing like that. 1, 2, 3. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that JoJo and I just put in for you. Now, JoJo, how did you like the shoot?
It was awesome. It was 1 in the morning.
It was awesome. It is 1 in the morning, but we got it done. We are now finished. I'm out of frame here. We're done. We're out of finish. I hope you really enjoyed the photos.
It was a beautiful weekend. No, we really killed it.
We really did have a great weekend, guys. And of course, if you want to work with JoJo, also it's going to be in the description box below. We'll pop it on the screen. Bye now. Until next video, JoJo.
What? I'll wait. Until the next video, everyone.
Until the next video. Peace, man. There's never a dance. It's a simple 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Just a simple 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Got it.
Are you sure? Yeah. Another video today.
Okay.
You got it?